Hello students, in this video you will learn how to find square roots of numbers in decimal form. Question number 1. Evaluate root under 42.25. For this also we will use long division method, and as usual we will draw one vertical line and one horizontal line meeting at a corner. Under the horizontal line we will write 42.25, and we have to pay attention when we will start grouping the digits. Here we will make the group of digits in two direction. In two direction means right side of decimal we will move, and then left side of the decimal. We cannot group here 2 at the tens place and here 2 at the hundreds place. According to this we have not to think, and we cannot group them together. So from the right side of a decimal we will group moving right side, and for the left side of the decimal we will move towards the left side. Now we will choose a square number which will give you 42 or less than 42. Here I have taken 6 as a divisor and 6 as a quotient. 7 I cannot take because 7 7 is 49, greater than 42. Then 6 I have taken. 6 6 is 36. 42 minus 36, 6 remainder. We will bring down 25 here, and then we will get a new dividend 625. This is 6 we will add with the divisor, and we will get 12. Now we have to do work on this new dividend 625. For that we will again choose a perfect square number, and also we will focus on ones place digit of 625, which is 5. So we will choose as a number which will give you 5 as its ones place. So I have taken 5 5s are 25. In the 25 you can see 5 is at its ones place. Now by this 5 we will multiply this complete 125. But before taking this new square number you have to do work on the decimal. After doing work on 42 you get remainder as a 6. Then after 42 decimal is here. This decimal you have to replace in the quotient's place. So you can see here after 6 I have replaced and put the decimal in the quotient's place. Now multiply 125 by 5. You will get 625. Subtract 625 from 625, remainder 0. So whatever number you will get as a quotient, this will be the square root of the given number 42.25. Hence square root of 42.25 is equal to 6.5. Question number 2. Evaluate root under 0.4225. For this also we will use long division method, and we will draw one vertical line and one horizontal line meeting at its one corner. Now below the horizontal line we will write the given number 0.4225, and we will make their groups. You can see here as I have made their groups. Now first I am going to divide 0. For that I have taken 0 as a divisor and 0 as a quotient. So 0 into 0, 0, and after subtraction remainder 0. I have not written here, it is already understood. The same 0 you have to add with the divisor, then 0 plus 0, 0. Now You will bring down 42 here as a new dividend, and then you have to divide this 42. For that also you have to choose a square number. Here I have taken 6 as a divisor and 6 as a quotient. Before that, I have replaced decimal from the dividend to the quotient's place. Now 6 6 are 36. 42 minus 36, remainder 6. And then add this 6 with the new divisor 6. Then 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now bring down 25 here in the right side of 6, and then you will get a new dividend 625. Now again you will choose a new square number which is 5, and then multiply by 125. When you will multiply 5 by 125, you will get 625. Subtract 625 from 625, then remainder is 0. Hence the square root of 0.4225 is equal to 0.65. Thank you.